guys, I'm Daru, and I'm gonna quickly dive into this video because I don't have any time. I just woke up and we just got called from an audition and I have to do my makeup. So I'm going to start with my foundation. I put a timer so I can show you guys how to do this makeup in 15 minutes because that's how much time I have to do a full makeup, and I'm nervous. And I'm trying my best to do it the right way, not like whatever, because you still want to look good and professional. So I did my moisturizing first thing in the morning once I wake up, because otherwise I'm not gonna be able to open my eyes or anything. I'm still sleepy. My under eyes are really puffy, but duty calls. My brother also did my hair. He does my hair all the time because I cannot deal with hair. I'm really bad. And I just pull it back because it's really annoying to have to deal with your hair when you're doing your makeup. So I'm gonna put it back when I finish, so you can see how it looks like. Whew. I don't know what makes me more nervous, if the fact of having an audition or having to do this makeup in 15 minutes. I want to do it right, and the foundation is what takes the longest, but I'm trying to do it as fast as I can. So just try to blend it all over. And I have two videos, one of moisturizing that you can check out, and another one with the foundation and contouring also, so you can check my usual basic routine. But right now I'm doing it really fast because I don't have time. But I'm gonna put the timer so you guys can see that it's live and that I'm doing everything as fast as I can. Okay, so I just finished my foundation. It looks pretty even. I think I like it this way. And now I'm gonna go with my concealer really quick. I feel like my heart's pounding. I think it's a mixture between the audition and the fact that I have to do this in 15 minutes. But sometimes I've had to do this before. My brother comes and like, hey, we have to go. And then I have to figure out how to do my makeup the best way possible that looks nice. But still, I do it in 15 minutes, 20 minutes the most, because you know, LA traffic or any traffic, it's crazy. And every second matters, every second counts. So you have to really do it fast. And you don't want to drive while doing your makeup, because you're gonna crash or something, and I don't want that to happen to you. Just be careful. And so just cover your under eyes with your concealer and those little details, and you're gonna be good. Okay, so after the concealer, you can see it's done. I'm going to go with my setting powder, so your face doesn't look, ooh, I'm nervous. So your face doesn't look oily or anything, or your foundation doesn't move at all. It stays there the whole time. And I'm just gonna put it here so it bakes while I do my eyeshadow. Okay, I think that's really good for the under eye. I'm putting a lot right now because my eyes are very puffy. No, I just woke up and whew, that adrenaline is kicking. Okay, so I'm gonna put the setting powder on the rest of my face. And you want to get it especially in the places that you feel that you get oily the most. And I do get oily in this section over here, next to my nose and my cheeks. So I really want to do that. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to my contouring, and I'm gonna do the powder contouring because it's faster. I have a video where I do my creamy contouring, which is more difficult and it lasts longer, but I'm gonna do this one today because I have no time. I'm like, run! Oh my god, no, 5 minutes! Okay, I usually take, the minimum I take is like 30 minutes for everything, but you know, I only have 50 minutes and I have to make my face look even and nice because you cannot look like, I don't know, dirty. Like, especially with your contour, you can look very, it can go wrong, and I don't want to do that. My arm hurts. I think I'm blending so fast and oh, okay. I think that's enough for contouring. I don't have time, so I'm gonna finish that and I'm gonna go with my eyeshadows. I'm gonna do that now. So I'm going to start with just like a blender. I don't even know the names right now. I'm completely silly. I'm gonna go with this shade over here, and I'm gonna pop it all over my lid. It's very shimmery and I like it, and it's gonna make you look it's gonna make your eye pop more, and it's gonna make you look glamorous. Glamour is all you need for auditions. And I've seen a lot of YouTube videos where they do their 15-minute makeup, but it's really hard to make this kind of video. I am experiencing right now. But sometimes it's very basic what they do, and I think I needed to see, since I'm an artist, I needed to see some of that artist perspective, because not always everything is natural. You also need glam makeup, really fast glam makeup, so that's why I'm doing it. And so after I finish my shimmery shade, I'm gonna go with another shade from another palette. I'm gonna just grab this kind of brownish shade and I'm gonna pop it here on the outer part of my eyes, on the crease, so I can add depth and shape to my eye. Ooh. Okay. I feel so much pressure right now. Excuse my faces too if I'm doing crazy faces while I do it. I just don't have time to think about anything. Not even what I'm doing right now. I'm just picking random colors and blending them however I can so I can finish. Because usually I like to take my time and do it really nice, blend it as much as I can and give it shape, but I don't have time, so I'm just gonna keep putting the same shade and blending it as much as I can. I'm gonna add more depth to my eye with a darker brown. I'm gonna just put a little bit on my brush and I'm gonna add it to the outer corner of my lid. I only have 5 minutes. And I still haven't done my brows, my everything. Well, now if you didn't finish your blush or your brows, you can do them in your car. Definitely. If you have someone who's driving, if you're driving Uber, go ahead, because I feel like I'm far from Uber. Okay, so now I'm just gonna grab whatever this shimmery shade and I'm gonna pop it on my lid. Just to add more glitter. Glitter makes glamour and it's gonna make everyone they're just gonna watch that glimmer, glitter. Okay, I'm gonna go with my eyeliner. This is the hardest part because you have to be precise. I'm not gonna talk. Okay. No time to breathe or anything. To me, eyeliner is the most important thing, and well, it's good, I think. Okay, so now we're gonna go with mascara. You don't want your lashes to look sleepy, so just put the mascara, lift those lashes, add that glamorous look. The other one. Don't stab your eye, just be careful. Look. Now I'm gonna buff that I'm gonna buff the setting powder that I had. Now I'm quickly gonna do my brows because I forgot about them. I have 2 minutes. Ah! I forgot my brows. I usually do them before my eyeshadow, but due to the shortage of time, I forgot, and I might do them horribly. Just work with your shape. I actually haven't done a brow video. I should actually, but I'm gonna do it later. I have a lot of things coming up for you guys, but bear with me in this one. Okay? I'm just trying to. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little more color, and I have 1 minute for blush. Okay, this one is kind of messy and amorphous, but it's okay. Oh my god, okay. I have 1 minute for blush. Apply your blush as fast as you can, not too much. You're not gonna look like a clown. Look my previous video so you can watch it and see what I mean about it. Ooh. Okay. And you can always put your lipstick on the car. Oh, okay. I think it looks good. Now, lipstick. I always have a hard time to pick a lipstick, so I'm gonna pick this nude color. Nude always goes well with everything. Smells like coffee. Perfect for the morning. I feel like New Year's countdown. Okay, I'm gone. I'm done. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my hair. I'm a glamazon. So this is my finished look for my glamorous audition, glamorous slash audition look. I only had 15 minutes to do it, and it was really fun, but really nerve-wracking. I really like how it came out. It came out. Sorry. But I really like it. It's good, it's glamorous, and it's good for an audition. And you can also do it for just like us, our natural kind of glamorous makeup. And that was my basic look, basic 15-minute look. I hope you enjoyed it. I just wanted to show you a way to do your makeup that it looks really nice, but in a short period of time, and when you have to do it really fast. But if you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm gonna keep coming with more videos, so stay tuned. Bye! Good luck to me!